Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I'm going to talk about ignition kit for Imperial part #37110. The Imperial part #37110 ignition kit is a complete ignition system for a variety of vehicles. It includes an ignition coil, spark, plug wires, distributor cap, rotor, and spark plugs. The kit is designed to provide reliable performance and long-lasting durability. The components are made from high-quality materials and are designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. The kit is easy to install and comes with detailed instructions for a hassle-free installation process. This kit is ideal for replacing worn-out or damaged ignition components in order to run. This part fixes the following symptoms. The ignition kit for Imperial part #37110 is designed to fix issues with the ignition system, such as misfires, hard starting, and rough running. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by gathering the necessary tools and supplies for the installation. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and the ignition kit, part #37110. 2. Disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery. This will prevent any electrical shock or damage to your vehicle during installation. 3. Locate the distributor cap on your engine and remove it using a flathead screwdriver. 4. Remove the rotor from the distributor shaft and discard it. 5. Install the new rotor included in your ignition kit. Part #. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.